All right, let's go over how to draw half Venom, half human face. It's gonna be not specifically Eddie Brock, but we're gonna draw just like a human. It's gonna be easy and for beginners, okay? So we're gonna go through it step by step, so follow along, or you can just watch and learn that way, all right? Let's get started. I'm gonna start over here with the human eye. I'm gonna go line down for kind of the inner eye. Line out for the top of the eye. Down just a bit. Line in there for kind of the inner eye. Straight line at the bottom. Circle for the iris and pupil. If I'm going too fast, by the way, you can always slow down. Like you can kind of rewind if you need to. Line down. Gonna go down here to the nose area. I'm gonna show the curve of the wing of the nostril. Down over here. Curve. Pull a line down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the edge of the eyebrow. Downward. Up. Downward. And I'm gonna fill that eyebrow in right there. Okay. Line here. Gonna go over here to the side of the cheekbone. Out. In. Pulling down. Gonna go over here to the mouth, part of the mouth. Up. I kind of want to have like this smile, this like eerie, strange smile. I'm gonna go over here and curve down here for the bottom of the smile. And I'm gonna draw the teeth like so. Gonna go over here to the edge of the jaw, pull down. And the chin here is going to be at the bottom. All right, good so far. Going to go over here, the hair. Pull a line here for the side of the hairline. Line, 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 line for the hairline. Pulling in. Line, line, line. A little bit higher. Down. Kind of, I don't know, whatever hair he's going to have. And I'm going to go over here. And I'm gonna do the hair first, and I'm just kind of loosely doing, you know, just like, I don't know, normal, normal hair. I'm not really sure what kind of hair it's gonna be. Let's go over here to the, it's not really that important to be honest. Let's go over here to the ear, out, down, in. Line over here for the edge, line over here, curve. All right. Line out here for the neck and out here for the trapezius. Curve underneath for a sternocleidomastoid. And you can always throw a little bit of extra thin lines here, like around the smile. You can go right here on the laugh line. Throw a little bit more under the eye there, just a bit. Nothing too wild. Curve here for the upper lip. And, oh, I forgot about this. Line here for under the lower lip. Let's go over here and go into the Venom side, okay? I'm gonna draw this kind of zigzag shape right there, because like the Venom symbiote is, you know, liquidy and kind of wrapping around that area. And it's gonna go over here somewhere. And for the most part, it's gonna have it wrap down there. And this line is kind of ambiguous. You can kind of make it any which way you want, but as long as it's crawling into that area a little bit. Draw a little bit more of the eye here. All right. Gonna go over here as well. It's gonna crawl into this area, right? The liquid. Over here. It's gonna kind of crawl totally over it and like more or less submerge it. And now we're gonna go over here to the eye, okay? So right here on this area, I'm gonna go down, pull up over here, almost throughout the whole head. Down, right there. This is the eye, right? Curve down here, like so. I could make it more angry looking, but this is good enough. And now I'm going to go over here to this area, and this part's going to be spilling out. So around the mouth area, I'm going to wiggle it up, right? And I'm going to draw the giant, his side's going to come out over here. And I'm going to draw these teeth just kind of gnarling out. Try to draw them at different scales and sizes. And then his tongue is going to be spilling out. Like so. And again, you're just kind of wiggling it around. It doesn't have to be the exact same wiggle. You know what I'm saying? But I was thinking of that goofy song on TikTok or whatever. Like, no, my money doesn't wiggle, you know that? I don't know. I was just thinking about that. Anyways, line over here, and I'm going to follow that up, like right there. I'm going to go over here. Curve. Fill in here, fill in here. And his I guess you could make his bottom chin just spill out over here, like, bam, you know? Like, it's just going nuts. Because I'm going to draw the edge of his face come around there like that. I think the scale needs to be bigger on that, you know? Go over here as well. Line over here for the big old neck. Line over here. You can add thin little lines everywhere in order to get kind of a cooler effect. So like right here, we could draw these lines along the edge of that tongue to give it a texture. And that's kind of what you're doing when you do that. Let me make this mouth a little bigger here. Curve line here, and the symbiote again is taking over right here as well. You can go like this, see that? Do that little droplet thing, like he's totally taking over this guy. I'm assuming this is, you know, this is just Eddie Brock, but you know, but I didn't do the same Eddie Brock from the movie, right? It just maybe some liquid coming out there, like he's turning into kind of Venom. Ooh, my gosh, let me move this down. I can't believe I had this head missing most of that time. Sorry about that. Oops. Excuse me. Hello, the mic. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. If you enjoyed that, please hit me up in the comments section and I will say hi to you. Okay? Don't forget to share the video or donate to the channel. When you donate to the channel, any little bit helps and it keeps the channel going. Go donate to the PayPal. Absolutely do that. You can spare like $2 or something like that. Anything that works. Everything goes to markers and crayons and stuff like that. It's hard to kind of keep buying this stuff, but I do it. And then, you know, or share the video. When you share the video, it brings a huge boost to the channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, right? See you soon, artists. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.